If your PayPal money is showing as pending and you're not sure why or how to fix it, this guide will help you understand the reasons and solutions in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Pending payments are quite common, especially for new users or certain types of transactions. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can resolve it without confusion. First, open the PayPal app or website and sign into your account using your email and password. Go to the Activity section and select the pending transaction. Here you will see the exact reason why the money is on hold. One common reason is that the payment was sent as an e-check. In this case, the money will clear automatically once the bank transfer is completed, which usually takes a few business days. You don't need to take any action here. Another reason could be that you are a new seller or your account has limited history. PayPal may hold funds temporarily to ensure secure transactions. To speed this up, you can add tracking information if you shipped a product and mark the item as delivered. Once the buyer confirms receipt, the funds may be released sooner. If the payment is marked as pending because it was sent as goods and services, the sender may need to confirm the transaction or the system may release it after a certain time automatically. Also, make sure your account is fully verified. Complete email, phone, and identity verification steps to avoid delays in future transactions. If the issue continues, you can contact PayPal support directly for assistance. In short, check the reason in activity, complete required steps like tracking or verification, and wait for the system to release the funds. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials like this.